In this video you will see how to rotate text in PowerPoint table like this. It's very easy. First select all the text inside the table, or you can select the cells using your mouse. After selecting the text inside the table, you will have two options. First you can right click on the selected cells and then go to Format Text Effect. After clicking on it, go to text box option here, and under the text box you will see the option of text direction. Right now it is horizontal, that's the reason we see horizontal text. Click on the drop down and here you will see various options like rotate all text by 90 degree, rotate all text by 270 and stacked. So you can see the preview here how the text will look. So I am clicking on rotate all text 90 degree. So as you can see, the text has rotated inside the table cells, and we can also rotate it by 270 degree like this. So this is the first option. You can also select the table cells, and after selecting, just click here on the table layout tab, and the same options of rotating text by 90 and 270 degree are also available here. Just click on the options you desired and the table text will be rotated. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn PowerPoint quickly. See you again in the next one.